So guys, I just wanted to say, I hope you like my new backdrop. I love it. It is amazing. I got it on Amazon for like $20. And the reason I'm not showing my face because I thought that I would try something new. So comment down below if you like this style better, and yeah. Hey everyone, it's the ukulele teacher here, or you can refer to me as the ukulele maniac. In today's lesson, I'm going to be talking about how to play You Need to Calm Down by Taylor Swift on the ukulele. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that you get the post notification and that you are liking all my videos so that you know when new videos come out. You will need 2 chords for this song. If you already know these chords, that is awesome. We can skip to a later portion of the video for strumming pattern and chord progression. Let's get on with the tutorial. The first chord is a D. This is first finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string, and 3rd finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. And the last chord is a G. This is 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string, and 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string. Moving on to strumming pattern, the strumming pattern for this song is down, up, tap, down, up, tap, up, down, tap, down, up, tap, up, down, tap, down, up, tap, up, down, tap, down, up, tap, up. Putting it with the first chord, a D, it should sound like this. Moving on to chord progression, the first chord we will be on for 8 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Moving on to the G, also for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Putting it with the strumming pattern, it should sound like this. Like I always do, the lyrics will be down here, and if you want to sing or play along, feel free to do any of those. So guys, I'm so sorry, I forgot to film an outro for this video, so I guess here's the outro. I hope you liked the tutorial. Make sure to subscribe and to turn on all post notifications for my channel, and stay tuned for the next video. See you guys.